The second pour is going to be a swirl pour, which when I wrote this challenge, I was really confused by the fact that there were a lot of pours titled as swirl pours on YouTube. So I thought that that was a different technique, and I actually have come to the conclusion that it's probably just a normal tree ring pour. I think the swirl pour that I aimed to do was just a normal tree ring pour. But instead I'm going to try and twist my canvas. Now I do have a Lazy Susan, but it's not set up. And I need a board for the top of it to help it move correctly. So I think what I'm going to try and do, and I'm going to be really sloppy with this pour as well, please bear with me, is to run the paint down and move the canvas instead of moving the cup. And we'll see what happens when I do that. I imagine this could be very messy, and I apologise if it goes out of shot or out of focus at any time. But I'm kind of interested to see what happens when I experiment a little bit. All of my paints are listed in the description box below. Many of them are left over from my SFX pour the other day. So if you want to see what went into those, like the phthalocyanine blue, please check out that. There's a playlist for 30 days 30 pours listed in the description box. Okay, I've got this metallic green metallic from Australian Grenada, and I'm putting it in some phthalocyanine green that I've already mixed. Right, I'm going to try and hold my canvas like this. Who knows what will happen. I'm going to make a jug up so that I've got a handle, because I think that will really help me pour it better. I'm going to put some white in. You can see I'm being super slapdash because I honestly just want to go to bed. Really want to get this done, and I want it to be beautiful, and I want to get some sleep. And probably not all of those things are going to happen, but we'll see which ones of those things we can make happen. Right, this is going to be predominantly green, and I'm going to put some of these. This is Purple Flash Colour Shift. Put a little bit of that in there. This is Pearlescent Emerald, Jacquard Lumiere Soft Body Acrylics, some more silver, Blue Violet Flash Colour Shift, Sunset Gold, Lumiere Soft Body Acrylics. I think I'm going to get covered in paint here, but hey. I'm not sure what that was. Is that a swirl? Let me swirl it around now. And done. So it's already going muddy, but it's just about got some structure. Obviously I've got far too much water in these paints and everything. I know I made a lot of, you know, didn't put enough effort into mixing those paints there at all.